So today's M5, just getting the flywheel change, getting multiple misfires, tracked it down to the flywheel being damaged. Gonna replace it. Make sure to follow Mike BMW Motorsport on Instagram for all your BMW, especially M5 repairs.
You recording? Estos tornillos están bien duros. Ya va a salir la transmisión. Esta transmisión es de un BMW V10. Okay.
Oh.
I hit myself. So we're going to change the flywheel on this V10 E60 M5. I don't know, bro. Somebody damaged the flywheel and we're getting misfires. I'm gonna show you another way to track down a misfire. Once you see this flywheel, you're gonna know why it was misfiring. A lot of people don't know this. Okay. So one more bolt and this thing goes up. Oh no. I can't see the full one. Yeah. Okay, time to come out. Time to play. Oh, that was yours. Oh, I'm missing. I need to take off this one back here.
No, güey, está parado.
¿Qué?
No sé, güey, pero no
Pendejo.
Ahí va. Uy, uy, uy.
teeth. Look at. The crankshaft's not getting the right signal. It's not sending the right signal. So the fuels, the coils, all the teeth are bent. This one right here is the one that's messing up everything right here. These two. You see how it's leaking from back here?
Yeah.
The rear main seal might be fucked up. I'll take it out. You got it? One, but barely.
You don't want a hammer? He's getting them up like that. They're not for
Yeah, we're loosening up the flywheel already. Let me take it off. Yeah, you could let go of that. Alright, let's go. Leaking from the rear main seal.
Leaking from where?
The rear main seal.
Oh yeah.
And they supposedly they changed it. I think they did. Look at that one. Look at these. When you compare them, they're like bent.
That was right there.
Look at this one over here. They're all like bent out. See, this one's like bent out. Right here, you can see it.